Hi, welcome to your July craft kit, cardstock embroidery. So, starting from the back, bring your yarn through the first hole, across the front, and down through the next hole, continuing to weave in and out of the holes. You can use a needle or your fingers. Some letters will have an odd number of holes, so you will have to backstitch or double stitch. If you are not using a needle, this will require patience. A large piece of yarn can be used for a few letters, or you can use smaller pieces for single letters, or a combination of both. There are no rules, just have fun. If you don't like the way it looks, or you need to redo a stitch, you can easily take out the yarn and try again. You may have to stretch the floss across the back of the card to reach other parts of the letter you are working on, or to reach other letters. Don't worry, nobody will see the back when you're finished. When you are finished with your piece of floss, making sure that you end up on the back of the card, tie the ends of the floss together. Be sure the knot is snug, but don't make it too tight or you will pull the card. When you have completed your embroidery, glue the foam pieces to the back of your project, then glue it to the center of the green piece of cardstock. You can frame your sign or punch holes on the top corners and make a hanger with twine for a nice rustic touch. However you want to dress it up, you're ready to say hello to summer.